Hello again, Andy with Handy Andy Handyman, and Jim and I are out here today taking a look at this bathroom, and he's got most of it pulled apart. At this point, he's actually putting it back now. We got an earlier video of this thing where if you catch that one, you'll see this builder is unbelievable to me because underneath this drain right here is a drain pan, and they used a preformed pan, but underneath it, they had jammed styrofoam and foam to support it. So over time, it compressed underneath this pan, so it was actually springing like a box spring on your bed, and that's why the mortar around it kept cracking and had to be repaired and replaced. This townhouse is only 2 years old. And so the inspector for the buyers, the only reason it got caught is our customer is a seller. The buyer sent an inspector out, and he wrote up that it was a defective pan and needed to be corrected. And I see that all the time in inspection reports, and it's usually not the case at all. And so I came out, I actually had told them over the phone, don't worry about it, you guys could pay us a certain amount and we'll just guarantee it. But they were like, no, we want it fixed. We came out, and I came out thinking that there wasn't going to be any problem at all. And sure enough, it was like a diving board in there. And so just the headache, the customer had to track down this tile because we don't have time for it. But we were able to get matching tile, matching grout, and Jim tried to minimize how far we came up to we made a custom pan. So this thing will never leak. It's done right. Our tile guys are more artists than they are contractors, at least this one is in particular. So it's getting done, and we've been told that the builder is going to go ahead and reimburse them the cost of this project, as they should. This never should have happened like this. And in fact, the builder's representative came over here before the work started and said, no, there's nothing wrong with it. Well, obviously, that's not the case at all. So we've created two versions of this video. One names the subdivision and the builder, because I'm sure everybody in this neighborhood has the same bloody problem. And if they are kind enough to pay our customers back for the cost of this job, we obviously won't post that particular one. But drain pans are serious. They need to be done right, and oftentimes they're not. So my brother and I run a crew of about 24, 26 people. We do a little bit of everything all over Metro Atlanta, from plumbing to electrical to full bathroom remodels, painting. We hand paint still, a little bit of everything. The dogs like us, so that's usually a good sign. You can reach us at 770-912-2829. I'm Andy. See you at the next house. Bye for now.